Another thing that we recommend when it comes to maintenance for the Equinox Cube sauna is to apply some wax or wood protector on the surfaces, on the inside walls, on the benches. And what we usually recommend, different companies will do that. One of the common products is Supi Wax, SUPI space wax. And it's a natural wax that we use and we apply on the benches and on the walls. Basically will help with the longevity of your sauna. Most often time used in commercial applications when you have a lot of people going in and out of the saunas, and the saunas are on for 10, 12 hours a day all year long. So you want to ensure that the structure is well maintained, it's beautiful and comfortable, so the Supi wax will help in that regard. By the way, the wax that we use is completely natural. A lot of people go inside the sauna to detoxify, things like that, so it's really something that we're aware of. So we have Supi wax that is uncolored, some of them are colored. Yeah, it's just a fantastic addition if you want to ensure longevity of your sauna, both at home and for your business.